Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Princess Sarah B. Lustre, 28 years old, married. My husband name is Jester Lustre, 35 years old. We have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. My father's name is Lito Balute and my mother's name is Lailani Balute. I have 1 brother and 5 sisters. I am the eldest in our family. I am a Catholic. I live in Bulacan, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve for 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, and also have experienced 1 month working in Qatar. I serve for 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, and 1 baby. As a domestic helper, my duties are caring for baby, caring for children, caring for elderly, cooking food, washing, ironing, washing dishes, car washing, and garden keeping. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in the Philippines. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibility and I also follow the rules and regulation. Thank you.